Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Audi A5 2.0T Quattro Premium Plus. This two-door convertible has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Audi has less than 74,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.